What's up? I know this is so long awaited. Girl, when are you unstuffing the challenges? What's really happening? Today is the day. Today I will be unstuffing my $1 and $5 savings challenge.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
To see how much I was able to save over the course of this year. I haven't even really been showing you guys this, but just every $1 and $5 I've been coming across, I've been trying to save it in these bags here. There's obviously more 1s than 5s. There always is. But yeah, this is a really easy way to save up money till the end of the year. Let's get into it and see how much we were able to save in our $1 savings challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. And we'll do piles of 50. Just in case I forget, y'all know how my goldfish brain is. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. $100. Real quick before we keep going, go to the comment section and leave your guess for how much you think we're gonna save in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is already more than I thought it was. I was thinking 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there's another 50. So we are now up to 200. All right, 100, 200. 100, 200. I wish, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. Ooh, that one look like it done been in the strip club. Got a little butt on it. 30, 40, 50. There we've got another 50. 250. These all look like stripper bucks, huh? Bunch of booty dollars.
There's nothing here for me.
Got 100, 250. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm gonna sit that one up here.
Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there's our next 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. We're down to our last stack over there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. This is crazy. Last year was the same way. I was just appalled at the amount that you can save. This is literally insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Stupid bucks. We love that. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, 30, 40, 50. Love it. Love this for me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 dollars. 51, 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Wow, 49. We are $1 short, and I don't have any dollars around here. So let's see what our total is. This one is 49. So we have 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 50, 400, 50, 500, 50, 600, and 50, 700, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, $700, $750. Oh, plus my twos. I forgot my twos over here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46. 46 and 49 is 95. So we managed to save 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, $795 in ones. Like craziness, man. That is so crazy. Now I have $700 that I can do whatever with, because this isn't coming out of my paycheck. This is money that was literally saved over the course of a year. Just extra money, rollover money, meaning money that I have at the end of every cash stuffing week. And those $1 and $2 add up. Some weeks, yes, it is more than $1 or $2, but I can't even stack it up. Sheesh. This is like a decent night at the Shaker Club. At the Booty Shaking Club. It's crazy. So yes, here are the ones. Like, be for real. That's crazy. Okay. I don't even know what to do with these. Now let's work on our $5. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna put them back in here. Let's work on the fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. These fives are raggedy. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So if you saved ones and fives this year, what are you going to do with yours? I put mine into my Roth last year at the beginning of the year. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I think mine may get rolled over to my new A5 binder that I'm about to create. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 for my new home.
Maybe a break, boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug.
Bro, that's crazy. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. What's your guess so far? Leave it in the comment section of how much you think we will save. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Bruh. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Wow. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, another 100. Jesus Christ. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So let's see what we've got here. We've got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Bruh. What is happening? 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, and how much did I say? 35? $1,335. Plus, how much did I have in ones? $795. If my math is mathin', that's $2,130 from saving $1 bills and $5 bills throughout the year. That's over $2,000. Do you hear that, Michael Scott? $2,000. That is crazy. That is insane. So for all those people who believe that you can't save because you don't make enough, try just doing your ones and fives. Just put away any extra ones or fives you come across throughout the year, and you'd be surprised what you can do. So this was really fun. I love to do this at the end of the year because it's always a shock. I don't ever count it throughout the year because I want to be surprised. I don't track it because it makes it feel less like a challenge. So it's always really cool to see how much it is at the end. This money is probably going to go towards my 100K savings for this year. I don't have any other purpose for it. So that's probably where we'll go for those of you who are asking. I'm getting ready to start stuffing a new A5 binder for the home I'm getting ready to purchase. So some of this will probably go there. That's all I have for y'all today. I will be unstuffing my 100 envelope challenge tomorrow, as well as my monthly savings challenges from last year. So you can look forward to those videos. But as always, thank you guys so much for being here. Y'all have a really good day. Bye.
Feels like the first time